I'm about to start seeing if I can use Copilot to prototype things. I already know about like Lovable and stuff, but I kind of don't want to use Lovable. My next option, if this does not work, is oh wait, GitHub has something like this already. I was gonna say if like this doesn't work, I was gonna use Firebase Studio and just like create a new repository and then go based off of that. Um, but huh, wait a minute. I forgot what it was called. It's download. No, is it Spaces? No. Mm, no. Whoa, wait. Which? Whoa. All right, no. That's not what I want to do. I think this is it. Uh, ask to generate a file or app. What is this? Huh. Huh? To do app? Mobile storage functionality? But is there a way to view it? No. More options, download file. Hmm. Okay. I'm gonna delete this. But I'm gonna try it in here. Yeah, let's do. Should I be using this? You know what? I'm gonna try it with 4.1. GPT 4.1. Um mm, 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 mm. Let's keep on doing this. Let's run all that. Okay. I think this actually might get lost or jammed up because this is a lot of stuff. And also, while I'm doing this, I'm going to be running this concurrently with the Spaces app or whatever. Let's try it out. Can you? Oh, mm, yeah, yeah. Let's do that. That is a lot. Okay. This is my routes, SOPs, log updated. What? Huh. Let's do that. I don't like this at all. What is this? Okay, fine. Let's keep that. I guess we'll keep that. Oh, yeah. What is? Oh, I think it's already live. Wait. 4200. What is this? Why is it doing this? Please don't do this. Why is it doing this? Why is it on the bottom? This sucks. Oh, I know why it's on the bottom. That kind of makes sense. I'm not mad at that because I did say mobile first design. Oh, this probably isn't going to do any of what I'm saying because. Hmm. In here is all wrong. Hold up. Because I think in my document, the tech. Oh, I did say Angular. Fine. Um, I specified the tech stack in here. I'm probably not gonna use this. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna use this. Um, oh, that's cool. This is the icon for Markdown. Um, I I'll opt not to use this just yet. I'll close it out, but I think I might go for it with just the in IDE stuff. Um, let's see, let's see, let's see. So from these don't work though. It's now scaffolded with the mobile first design in your main sections from your layout dashboard. These are these the links or are these the links? These aren't really showing anything. Dashboard works. Routes. Huh. Mm, what's my TypeScript like? Nothing. Nothing is in here. Uh, it doesn't send me where I want it to be. Where I want to be sent. What? if it'll do it. Structure. First off, wait 1 minute. Mm-mm. I'm here right now. I think I may be able to close these out. I don't like this. The fact that I'm not able to click these. Okay. Now, project overview or project settings? Yeah, I think it's project settings. Mm, mm. It will add to your environment. Set environment files. So maybe doing this. Okay, I'm learning in real time. Maybe doing this is not the best way to do it because I kind of already have a vision in mind. And hmm, Yeah, I kind of don't like this right now. So, the dashboard cannot be the first page. So, really, to go to this. Mm-mm-mm. Let's do that. Home. Let's make a home button. Mm. Oh, my bad. I need to get used to what is it called? NGGC home. NGGC home. Okay. And then from there, get home from and it should like say homeworks. Homeworks. Now, in my this these shouldn't be at the bottom. Hmm. What in the CSS makes this show up at the bottom? I'm so unfamiliar with Angular. I'm trying to figure out how. Like, does this work? Oh, these don't work as links. This is so confusing. Okay, there's some more. Let's just start up here. This is where the nav would be. Um, what about that? I don't want to do all that. This. Let's just do that. Uh, good. This is actually before I even get to the home. This is actually. Oh, interesting. Um, Something isn't updating. Okay. This looks like garbage. So, I'm gonna go back to what I know. Alright. Um, the body. Okay. What is this file structure like? Style, CSS. For everything, I should probably be unboxing. What did I say? Yes. What's up, Mr. Chicken? Currently, working my way through, um, like building out a bare bones, um, like prototype or like MVP of a new app that I'm building. But responsive adjustments. What is that? Huh? Just messing around with the. Oh, you're gonna be racing? Why does it say bottom? I don't like this. Oh no. Virtually learning how to. Wait, you don't have your driver's license yet? Wait, wait. Huh. Well, you have a pretty not walkable, but like your city or town supports like bikes and stuff. So is it really even like necessary to get a license? It'd be nice to have though. What's good, Black Cat? What's good? What's good? Really? Yeah, that's yeah. You'll be packing everything just on a bicycle. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. What's the road map or like the timeline for you to get a license? I really don't know how I should divvy this stuff up. First, I need to close all this out. Uh, close that out too. Uh, well, I was planning on waiting a few months. There's a proposal that'll make it easier for me to get an allergic permit. Hmm. What do you wait? Oh, for some reason, I need to brush up like on my geography. For some reason, I thought Oslo was in Sweden. Maybe I was thinking of like Goth, Gotham, or wait, Gothenburg. Yeah, that's not in Sweden. mm, this isn't working out. At least not right now. I should actually make this a component too. So in here, in G, and then input this. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we will see. Let's do that. Uh, ooh. Do I put this outside of there? Uh, nav bar. Eh? Eh? From nav bar? But, huh. Would it only show up if I did that? That's how it would show up. That is interesting. I think that's the way. It'll create memories. They'll teach you which car to get and which car not to get. Because like, okay, if you start out with like a really expensive car as the first car, like granted, a new car doesn't necessarily mean that like all the headaches are gone. You may get a dud. So like, do you already have someone that knows how to buy used cars? That could help. Hmm. Yeah, like an older Saab or Volvo, like check everything out and have that be the first car and just like accept all of its problems and learn how to, circumvent that. One, it creates memories. Two, whenever you do buy like a newer car later down the road, you know like what to look for, how to fix it, stuff like that. So, yeah, that's the way. That's the way. I'm still on my first car. So, and it's already 10 years old. It was 10 years old in December of last year. So, whatever you do, keep up with basic like car maintenance stuff, like oil changes, and I just changed out my air filters, check your brakes, like the whole experience is pretty fun though. Mm-mm-mm. Imports. I kind of don't want it. What? What? Wait. What? App root? Okay, this isn't a body. 1980s? Is that your style? Or you just want to like, huh? That may be a little bit too old. That comes with its own problems. Oh, smart. Smart. Hmm. Smart. Okay, you're not in Germany, but what are your opinions on cars like Mercedes and BMWs, being that you're from Sweden? Like, does all of Europe just like Mercedes and BMWs? That's why I had questions. Why? Why Audi? No, this is insane. It's not even doing. Okay. Okay. Trash. Oh. Granted, I'm not really all that big into Audis myself, or like any of them, but I know that like they're highly regarded in Europe. Hmm. Okay. Okay. And there's like a war over there, between like Mercedes and BMW people. Either you're a Mercedes person, you're a BMW person. Kind of like how America we have like Chevrolet and Ford. Oh, so y'all really don't care about. Okay, fine. Mm, this isn't really doing what I wanted to do. What I wanted to do. I also don't know what I did. Oh, that's why. Um, okay, it looks better. A little bit better. Why so small though? I've never been a fan of like the small cars. Hmm. Are they safer though? Like, are they just as safe or safer? Mm, mm. I never thought about that. Y'all don't really have trucks there. Bro. Wait, what? Might not work. Not imported. Make sure that it's imported. Router outlet or router module? Mm, mm. That's a file? So what should that be in there? Right there. Nothing is working. This shouldn't be that hard. We have trucks, but not as big as the US, and they're at first I consider a motorcycle. But question. Yeah, I think you're on like on the right path because like taking a road trip still would be kind of just as hard as far as like carrying stuff if you had a motorcycle. A car, a lot easier because then you can use that to like not carry everything on your back. So I think you're on the right path with that. Router, what? That wouldn't mess with like the balance of it or like how the motorcycle rides. I gotta go to these docks because this is not making sense. Huh? Yeah, you did. Dang, my stream is that boring? Is your AC out? Y- Yeah, I had that same thing happen like a couple weeks ago. It sucks. But you're not in the South. Like, here it was getting up to like 90 outside. Oh yeah, if that was like 90 Celsius, everything would like like evaporate or be close to evaporating. Yeah, it's getting hot. Where are we? Wait. Uh, is this in here already? Router? Do I have router? Yes. Mm, this isn't making sense. It truly just is not. Hold up. Okay, that works, but this doesn't. This is stupid. Like, wait. Router link doesn't exist? Huh. This is so weird. Actually, yes. Um, I know it may seem a little bit like clunky right now, but yes, I'm actually figuring out what this is because I have not seen this yet. As far as like the HTML of it though, that's what isn't making sense. Mm-mm. That's cool. So wait, do I even need to have that? Was that a mistake to have that in there? Yeah, I don't need to have that in there. Hmm. Router link. That's not making sense as to why that's not working. Wow. So makes sense now. Oh, it doesn't exist, so it's not gonna take me anyway. So I had to import it. Oh, makes more sense now. I don't like that though. Is it visited? It isn't focused. Huh. Oh well. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Well, let's remove this hideous background though. Sure, let's do that. Oh, this is much better. Ooh. Okay, it's treating me well, but this is the first time like I'm building the router from scratch. So I had to remember to import one of the modules. That's really like the first. How are you doing? I saw that you were playing Dofus today, or just now. Hopefully you were having fun. But that's one of like the things that I need to learn is what all like what the modules do and when to use them because like Angular is batteries included. So it's never really, how can I say it? It has so many things, but it never mentions like, hey, this can make it easier. Or like if you don't research it, you'll never know that it exists. So I'm having to like research things that I don't know exist yet. So it's fun. It's just different. I don't like that though. Is it because I have this going on? I find that to be the case with almost any batteries included JS thing. Oh, like I'll get a node module and have you realize that. Yeah. Um, okay. Oops, sorry. Basically what I mean, please show up whenever I paste this in. Uh, uh, okay, this isn't doing what I wanted to do. You just need to import them in different modules in order to use them. Modules like, okay, what I just did was I imported this router module. I thought like if you put an anchor tag in here, that it would just automatically work and take you to the link. Uh-uh. It was actually just basically text. Hold up, let me show you. So like if I don't import this module, my routing will not work. And I didn't know that. And I was confused. But stuff like this, yeah. Why is this why is this active? I haven't used Nest.js yet. Nest.js. Why is that bad? All right, fine. Makes it more robust and modular. Yeah, yeah. It it's just something to get used to. Cause like at the same time, I still had to do it with React. With whenever I use React Router, I still have to do it, but this is a different way of implementing it now. So I understand. I understand. React makes it just everything so much easier. This happens because why is that active? Why was that active? Wait, what? What if huh? Just take all these out. Ma Matches any route that starts with the given runner link. Since it'll be active for all routes because all routes start with that. Exact for your home link to make sure. Okay. What? Let's, let's do that. Let's do that. All right, cool. Never actually used Angular for something professionally. I wish I had the patience to learn it though. Yeah, really, I've become such a big fan of their YouTube page that it convinced me to just go ahead and bite the bullet, go ahead and try to learn it at least. I don't regret it, even though I haven't built anything like crazy yet. I don't regret it, and I feel like they're going to continue to support it. At the same time, I don't think it's the best choice for personal projects. Yeah, because it's more enterprise focused and like it keeps people like on the same page as far as like how to structure stuff. So yeah, yeah. Hmm. I, I'm just happy that like I've gotten to a point to where it isn't as confusing as it would have been before to use Angular. Before, if I would have used this, I wouldn't know my right from my left. At least I know now how to at least halfway read the documentation, which helps a lot, especially because they revamped their documentation from like older versions. Their old Angular docs sucked. This is actually great. And I'm not like the type of person that says like someone's docs are like great or terrible. How people say like Stripe maybe like the best in the business. I don't really care about like I don't know, but Angulars I like it. They're like yeah, so the math works out so that you have a better chance of getting like an angular role rather than a yeah. That's why I think it's the best choice. Yeah, yeah. Hopefully that'll happen for me one day. Hopefully, but who knows? Who knows? Probably never. Hold up. Um, yeah, that's why I didn't want to use it. Is because I couldn't find anything that I wanted, or the things that I wanted to find, they wouldn't update it, so it will be outdated stuff on there. Yeah, I think they just released a video talking about them improving the developer experience. Mm, router reference? What is this? Huh. Well, there's never okay. You still have time to still learn front end, so don't give up on your dreams of being a pro Angular developer in the future. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Front end sucks. Do not do front end. Front end sucks. I wish I was a back end developer. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, wait, hold up. If I do that, oh, it's cool. It sends me to a page. That's cool. I think I'm gonna do it. I've heard of Tari before. Mm. Oh, Electron and Tori are similar technologies? That's probably why I was researching it because I've always been interested in Electron as well. You just need to understand it is a rush, not an actual. Mm. Day 8. You make it sound like you make it sound like it's like a punishment. Oh, okay. Oh, that's still. Oh, yes, I did switch from React to Angular. Um, I like it, but also, long time no see in the chat. How you doing? How you doing? Has it improved though? Like your understanding of lifetimes and borrow checker? Yes. Okay. How can I explain this? I'm more oops. I'm more or less like enjoy the idea of Angular more like so far rather than Angular itself. I kind of got to the point with React where it's like, okay, I don't see myself improving the way that I want to. And I think that I'll improve as a web developer the way that I want to with Angular. It gives me more structure because there's only one way that you can like code with Angular. I am understanding it. It just randomly hits me when I don't expect it to. It comes with time. It comes with time and repetition. You'll be fine. True. True. And with that being said, I understand why people recommend or say not to like jump between framework continue frameworks continuously because you won't have like any solid understanding of how to specialize um like how to like do something very specific with a tool. You saying I should build my own framework? I don't think I'll ever be that kind of developer. I'm not that smart. Yes. Hate is kind of a strong word, but yes. I still hate Tailwind. Yes. I opt on the side just using what is that called? CSS. Just classic CSS. Nothing's wrong with it. Oh, wait. Uh, active editor. Oh. It's always better to specialize in a framework. Once you learn one, then you pick up the yeah. And to me, I would never want to be a React only or I wouldn't want to start out being a React only person. I would rather be an Angular specialist, or even a Vue specialist, or even a Svelte specialist, but not a React specialist. No disrespect to like React developers. It's just I can always learn React because it's easy to pick up. Mm, that's all. Yeah, I want to get like acclimate or get knowledgeable on low level languages, but I don't know where to start. I will if I were to learn low level languages like C and stuff like that, it would be for like automation and like real world hardware. Don't get me wrong, I love Svelte, but there's no job at the moment. Honestly, regardless if like what framework you learn, there's no job at the moment, whether whether you like it or not. Wait, mm, what do these look like? Active. Let's do that. This looks so much better. What's the problem with TXX or JSX? It's because like too much of the HTML and JavaScript are like in the same file and it's confusing and ugly. Like it's more of a preference thing. I don't mind it, but I also really appreciate the fact that Angular separates them and it makes it easier to like digest. I just hate JSX. Understandable. Yes, and Vercel is a bad company. I'll stand my flat. I'll stand on that hill. Vercel is actively trying to kill and consolidate the web um ecosystem and have a monopoly on it. I don't like Vercel at all. That's a okay. That's another problem with like web development and like software in general is that too many people are like paid off to just say things are good. I don't like it. I agree with you, Pixel, but that's the reason why I chose Angular is because it reminded me so like Next.js's routing system. I feel like Angular's is even better. Like it let me know that there's a different way of routing other than React Router, and I liked it more in Next.js. It gets the job done, and like it's really begin. Okay, maybe not now, but whenever like before React Router 7 or whatever they're trying to do now, it was really like beginner friendly, and it got the job done. Oops. I think the main thing that I want to do. Wait a second. Let's look at this. So when I come here, I wish this would stop doing that. Like it's taking my. Ooh no! I can close all this out for now. Oh, I need to catch up. Hold up. JavaScript doesn't suck. JavaScript is awesome. Gotta even it out, Black Cat. Gotta even that percentage out. This is my music. I'm playing music, but I don't want it to like pick up too much because I don't want to get a copyright. JavaScript does not suck. Every, I think JavaScript does things that doesn't make sense, but TypeScript fixes it. Well, wait a second. If you understand JavaScript, which I'm trying to do, I have faith that JavaScript doesn't suck. I think people just don't want to learn JavaScript, like the intricacies of like why it doesn't make sense, like how certain like operations in it get confusing. It's a band-aid. I can still. I've been recommended to use Flutter as well. You- But I don't like Java. I know that I don't like Java. But I also like C. But I also like JavaScript. So like, I don't know. I know for a fact that I don't like Java though. Is that bad on the web? Mm, okay. I need. What is the? It's like what is the thing? What is the thing? It imports common module. Wait, it's already in here. Oh no, it isn't. All right. Awesome. Now, what does that look like? Awesome. This is vanilla JavaScript. I'm with you, Pixel. I think it is just the most optimal because like it's less bloated. You like can customize everything. The same philosophy that I have on CSS is the same philosophy, and I think why I agree with you with just using just bare bones JavaScript and not a framework. Even though like React and frameworks like simplify and abstract a whole bunch of things. But if you know what you're doing with JavaScript, eh, yes, Tailwind still sucks. Thinking, what is this? What? What? Oh, my eyes. Oh yeah, sorry. I'm not Prime. Uh he'll probably do a video on this. I'm not Prime. I, this is cool though. Yeah, I'm not reading all this, and I can't put on funny voices. So, thank you. But this title is funny. Um, oh, so Angular is good. Cool. No, I don't want to be the new Prime. Nope. No, thank you. Uh, like what? Also, like articles like that, not my sense of humor. I feel like they kind of, I don't know, like they're really easy to like spit out, and they're kind of like lowbrow. I don't know. Just use HTML. Wait a second. Have any of y'all used HTMX? I believe it's called. I want to know what that's like or what it's about. What are y'all's opinions on that? Is it better than using a framework like React or Angular? There are too many JavaScript frameworks. There's too many of these. And do people get paid from doing all this stuff? Like making a new framework every week? This is insane. Oh wait. Uh Something about this doesn't feel right. Okay, fine. I think there's no like not as many new frameworks because everyone's like trying to focus on AI and everyone's building like new AI agents or MCP servers and startups and LLMs and stuff like that. I think that's a new focus now instead of frameworks. Yeah, I was about to say OpenAI rappers, but you said it, not me. I make Gemini rappers. uh, People speak really, 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 really highly of Laravel. Really highly of Laravel. That's another language that I don't like. It's PHP because I was coding raw PHP and I hated it. I don't like echoes. Ow. Then return this object here or error or whatever. Man, I have a JavaScript I have a TypeScript function for that. Nah. It just doesn't look good to like read. What does this look like? What should take on? I've never heard of that. The if air nonsense drama. Never heard of that. Although I think it's kind of well, nothing is working. Hmm. Crumb, crumb, crumb. Why is that not showing? Oh no. Whoa. Hello? Mm. Hold up. Sorry. I've been trying to lock in and trying to figure this thing out. Because for some reason, my H1 was there, now it's not there. Accept everything, just figure it out later. Truly, I feel the same way, Black Cat. Because in surrender DOM and do not match during hydration specifically, but found at that position. So at that point, okay, check for invalid HTML. Make sure your is self-closing, correct, incorrect. It's that, isn't it? Okay, wait. Uh, okay. That's ridiculous. GCP is awesome, right? 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 Uh, I don't think I'm using a library. I'm kind of building everything from scratch, doing it the hard way until you become poor. Is it really all that expensive compared to AWS and Azure? But cloud in general is just expensive compared to like self-hosted stuff. Hmm. Where should I go next though? Mm, okay, I'm gonna start building this out. I'm kind of scared to do it. Actually, that may be a tomorrow thing. That's what I'm gonna do. Cause this is already here. I'm going. Hmm. Oh, we did that. Wait, what's going on? Y'all have like fully fleshed out like apps and everything. So it's a lot like y'all have like full like data pipelines and CI/CD and stuff like that. Man, I'm trying to figure out routing. Y'all are just like y'all have a different set of problems that I have. What's my name on here? There we go. Oh, what's up, Christoph? Um, I am using Angular and I use Firebase for like data storage and stuff like that. Um, yeah, that's pretty much as far as my uh oh, my memory usage is like 775 megabytes. But that's pretty much as far as my tech stack goes. Um, I'm originally a React developer, but I'm trying to learn Angular. I'm having fun with it. What's your tech stack, by the way? I think I follow you on GitHub. I think so. What? Wait, I'm stuck. I'm literally stuck. I don't know how to use Git. This is embarrassing. I don't know how to use Git. All right. I, I should. I just don't know where to start. Huh? What did I just do? I messed up. Mm. Yes, that was a React logo because I'm trying to push my current repo into this, and I don't know what I'm doing. Wait a minute. Mm, What's wrong with that? Mm, hmm? Should this be this long? I don't think that should be that long. Get igno- Where is manifest? Oh, I really can go ahead and move that. Did my stuff get deleted? It literally got deleted. I do not like get. I messed this whole thing up. Hmm. Obviously, I just destroyed my entire app. Okay, I think I'm in a good place now. So now I have to go back up here. and do all that. There we go. Where'd this go? Mm, nav dashboard app. Put that in there. Take all that. Put that in there. Take that away. Do that. It it should just say why can't I? What do you mean? Still don't have one. Okay. Why? Why is it doing this? Could not resolve. There's gonna be something else. Did it work? This has been some of the most confusing. Oh, good night, Pixel. Um, thanks for joining, even though I've been just like lost in the abyss of trying to like migrate this Git repo from React to Angular. So I haven't been talking. What's that beeping? But yeah, I've been trying like to figure this out. But my bad. My bad. Um, have a good day at work. And I'll see you soon. And like I said, sometime this week, if I didn't run into this, I probably would have had enough time to like, you know what? Even after this, I might still just go ahead and redo my Dofus subscription and get started with something. I don't know. But sometime this week I will contact you about Dofus things. So yeah. Yeah. But good night and see you soon. Hopefully you've been leveling up fast. What? Anyways, um uh hopefully I get to catch you while you're live if you ever go live again. That'll be cool.
But yeah. Yeah. I wonder I know you're going to sleep, but I wonder what like new dungeons they've introduced. Did you go to like like okay, wait, at that point Gobble isn't all that like helpful XP wise. Hmm. I'll have to check it out. Are you able to solo them? Did they redo Gobble or something? Oh, so there's a lot that I need to catch up on. Oh, that sounds fun. A million? All right. Yeah, I need to catch up. It's already like almost 9 o'clock here. If I have enough time tomorrow, I'll start like fully playing Dofus again. Did this work? Hold up. Please work. Oh my goodness. That's still a lot. Like a lot, a lot. For 2 out of 4? That's still a lot. Wait a minute. Dofus. The first one. Wait, let me type it. It's a French game, right? It's a French game, MMO that I spent a lot of time playing as a kid. Also, okay, okay, okay. Thank you. If anything, I might just like do what comes natural to me and just play sack. But that's probably what I'm gonna do. I don't know what new classes there are or how they've changed, but I always just default to sack. Is it still a tank? Cause like I know in like the new Dofus, everyone is basically everything, but like is sack still like the optimal tank class? Okay. Oh. See, I come from a point, like a point in time of like HP is all that you invest in. It hits harder the less HP he has. It's like a passive. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Okay. I also may play Feka. I don't know. I don't know. Cause like I've always wanted to play like Feka and it's okay. Hmm. It is dangerous though, because someone could burst me. Uh, I've already done that, right? Right? Cool. Oh, can level up the stars normally. Hmm. Interesting. I think tonight is gonna be like basically just me doing research on which class I'm gonna choose. But all you said with what SAC does sound interesting. What just happened? That's been a thing though, right? Hasn't that been a thing? Oh, this is kind of nasty. I don't think I like this. Uh, boxing. What is this? No, 1.2 used to. Oh, well, yeah, we kind of delved into Delphus talk, but yeah, good night. I'll have an answer by tomorrow on which class I choose. I'll message you. I'll message you. But yeah, good night. Okay, I'm not forgetting that. I'm not forgetting that. Okay, because I don't want to end up leveling on the wrong server. Then have to restart my entire process. See you later. Mm-mm. Does it work? It does. Okay. I think I'm good now. What is my route? Oh, no, I don't even have routes anymore. This sucks. Is it home? I need to make, please, NGGC home. What? Okay. What I'm currently in the process of is rebasing a React repo into a Angular repo, and everything got destroyed. So yeah, yeah. path. Ah, that's not right. You know what? It is right. And then component home. Now, uh, that looks more like it. That's not it. It's path. What is it gonna be? 101 and let's just call it that. TF101 component. That. Wait, Control Z would do that? Uh-uh. This is my last time destroying it. Please believe me. Um, path. I also don't like this. Um, this is what I'm gonna do. Let's just put that right there and just go based off of that. And then call dashboard, 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 and then SOPs. There we go. If you destroy something, sure, that's undo. If it's a new file, I think it's recognized as a new file because I'm in another Git repo now. So it's never. Oh, yeah, he's not an Angular person. So really, I'm truly just like, I'm just on my own with this one. Um, log uploader. Let's just call it log uploader. Please. Yeah, I think that's it. That should be it. Hello. Where do I have load? Component. What? What are you talking about? Okay. And then at that point, well then, where? What are you talking about? Ken. What are you talking about? I wish that would collapse. Mm,
And then please give me my. In your route, you are adding the page's title. Oh, I have to add it. In order for me to see it right here, I would have to add it myself. Oh gosh. I don't have it in here anymore. Router module, do all that. What? Don't I have Angular router now? Man. Oh, it works. That doesn't work though. Oh. What? Thermoforming. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's do that. Like a meta thing. I can't just do path blah. It's a they also have guards here too. Um it's like some way to protect the route primarily for authentication. I did it with an admin portal that I was building in the last couple days. Oh, you do it in the guard? That's different. That's different. I just do it in the route object. Mm, app CSS. I really want to make media queries that add padding. Uh, yeah, that makes sense. Like as your app gets bigger to like model it that way. That does make sense. What am I supposed to do here? Okay. Whoa. Whoa. I don't know what this is doing. What? Huh? I don't know about this one. Mm-mm. Mm. It was like what? Like body. Fine. It was something like that. And then it also had a max width. Wait, let me try to add that. Um, that's not it. And all that stuff would still be in my. What is it like 1200? What?
But also, if the response from the API, yeah, that's smart. That's smart. Uh, in here, this is what I do. I make this, that. Plus, before this had a position of fixed. Fixed. Let's do that, and then my width was 100%. Yeah. Sometimes what I've learned is that that probably is the best way to do it. And then like if you ever find like even a better way to do it later. But like it doesn't have to look pretty or whatever in the beginning as long as it like gets done so you can move on to something else. And then like just iterate upon whatever you started out with. This isn't making sense. Wait a minute. It, hmm, homeworks. The more you do it, the better you get. Yeah. Yeah. I try to keep auth as simple as possible, but my new thing now, like thanks to the Twitch chat, is just focusing like first and foremost whenever I start handling data because I use Firebase is to focus on like use like thinking security first. That's my thing, and then just let every and then just let everything else fall in place after I figure out like how to secure the data first. Margin top three. Where is this at? Am I not at home? Oh man, this is wrong. This is all wrong. Where are my elements? A main container. It was terrible. It was hard, and I mean, I had yeah. I mean, that was before AI was a thing. AI would probably handle all that like mundane work and stuff like that. Never heard of Bcrypt before. Hmm. That's how I did it. I remember now. That's how I did it. Okay. It's actually main. Where's my index at? No. It's main that has actually main didn't even have anything. This was just outside of main. Thing. And then let's start there. I think here I might as well. Okay, it just reached 9 o'clock. I might go ahead. Right. Uh, okay. Let's see what this is looking like. Hopefully it isn't. Uh, Git push. Why? Are you saying that like even with all that I just fixed, I'm gonna have to redo it all over again? It's behind the remote. To fix it, you need to pull the latest changes from the remote. If this reverts all my changes, it's not possible because you have unmerged files. How do I merge it then? Merge changes. Stage all merge changes. I'm confused. So I did this 50 what? That I did it 53 minutes ago and I didn't. What the heck? What do you mean? Refresh. Refresh. Something isn't right. Why is all this stuff here? And merge stuff correctly. Ooh. Ooh. Why? I just want to be done with this. Like, this is stupid. Why is this being so difficult? No, no, I don't know, and I want to be done with this. This is actually kind of infuriating now because I want to take all these off. What is this? Like, wait, this still has. Okay, wait. Like, even though I do this, if I try to go back into these files, it's still saying resolve it in here. How do I roll this back? Or whatever you're saying. Give me my cursor. How do I get rid of like this right here? This? Or like yeah, like I'm honestly just pressing random buttons. Like I'm honestly not interested in doing this anymore. Was it actually pushed? Yes. Because I I don't know. Mm, no, wait, no, wait. How do I Yes. It says like currently rebasing. Unmerged path. Use get restore to unstage to mark resolution. Let's do that. Before the these things don't make sense to me right now. You can check out. It's not. I don't think it's gonna allow me to check out. I don't think that these are really doing anything. What did I do to do that? Let's do get status again. Uh, okay. Just remove and then also get. I don't want to do that. I don't want to have a public. Fine. Honestly, if it disappears, oh well. Deleted. Cool. I think at this point I can finally do it. All right. Like what are mm, now it's just saying modified. So I shouldn't have any problems doing this. So get add and then get commit conflicts. Please enter the commit message. This is where things always like lock up and then the terminal like what? This always just locks up. And now I can't do anything else. Like it's not allowing me to like get past anything. Respond how? Like hello? Like what? This is stupid. Like I can't input anything. Man, it's in okay, like mm. This is what I'm always afraid of whenever I use get is reaching here because it never allows me to do anything else. Like I can't enter anything. It won't let me type anything. What just happened? Like I'm closing this. Now I want to get commit. Try I. What is I? Oh, what is that? What is this? The file is still up. So close this. Wait. Oh gosh. Oops. All right, let me try it again. Now this. What do I do here? Hmm? What's the difference? Anyway, please just work. This is stupid. Please just work. Or tell it to, like, resolve. This is not doing anything of use. Wait. Okay. This isn't doing anything of use. Oh, wait. Hold up. I saw something. What else is wrong? Go with that. Yes. 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 So now. Huh? Wait. This. I want this. Why can't I? Just have this. This is unnecessarily just hard. It's right here. No, this is like a file right here. Like, huh? Pause. Oh. Uh, let's try this. I don't know. Git shouldn't have to be this difficult. This is why I don't. This is why people don't like. They're scared of learning Git because of just stupid stuff like this. Mm, let's do that. Uh, let's try that. I don't know what these exclamation marks mean. I'm just gonna ignore it, but I don't think it's gonna allow me to ignore it. This conflict. How do I get rid of these conflicts? I think I did all. Oh my goodness. Um. Hmm? Mm-mm. I want. Okay, wait. Does it matter which one? I think I want this. Yeah, I think I want that. How do okay, that's what I don't understand. How do some work and some don't? Because the the routes. Where's the routes thing at? This routes just got resolved and solved. Yeah, but some don't. And then it doesn't allow me to have like a complete merge button. Some of these don't allow me to do this. Routes allowed me to. This isn't. And nothing is like nothing's different. Let's try that. I don't know why this is so difficult. Like it's not consistent. How would I okay. How would I get like wait, how would I resolve file conflicts? Let's do that. I think that may be get status. Do that again. Unmerge paths. Uh, Let's do that. Just keep on doing this. When I try to do that, it says there's a conflict. So I may have to just do this manually. No, for a fact, I'm gonna have to do this manually because every time I try to do it, it says there's a conflict with me merging this. Whoa! Whoops! Whoops! Uh, I messed up. I messed up bad. Wait a minute. How do I get out of this? There's a couple more left. Oh, cool. Thank you. Oops. Actually, let's try that and see if it actually. This is consistent. Now it works. Okay. This entire time I've been trying to do that, it was doing a pop up of like something's wrong with Git. Git wants to cry. Does it says publish branch, but I don't know if this is really what I want. I think I'm good now. This was last updated an hour ago. Let's try it. Rejected. Main, not fast, non-fast forward is behind. Get pull origin, get pull, wait, get pull origin main, right? And then do that and then push again. Get commit. Actually, I'm gonna copy that. What just popped up? I don't see a rebase anywhere. I'm actually just in main now. What is really telling me to publish a branch? AI did. Whoa. I think this worked. It says 2 minutes ago, but this is still worrying me. How it just says like, okay, if I change something in here, let's call it no app home. Let's do that. Oh, okay. What? Go away. Okay. Okay. So you got to do force always. It just depends on what you choose to do. Wow. I'm never rebasing again in my life. That was fun though, but now I'm tired. Uh, thank you for watching. I'm never willingly rebasing. I may fall into it again because of what AI suggests to me. Oh, well. I think with how I say everything comes with time and repetition, like a lot of what I don't understand is because I just use this to abstract away me doing each get whatever. Like, thank you. If you start working, you probably fine, fine, clean the history. Man, I'm 28 years old. I'm not trying to hear that. No, it's too much work. Unnecessary work. Squash. So your PRs aren't like a billion commits polluting the history. Hmm. Hmm. I know. Uh, what does squash do? I've never. What is squat? Combining multiple commits in a single commit. This is often used during interactive rebase to clean up the history. Uh, uh, this is where. Okay. Well, I'm tired, and I think I've had enough of coding for today. So, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow to do like more coding stuff, actual coding stuff, not Git. But yeah, um, ooh yeah, and Halliburton is out for the next season. That was disgusting. Oh, you're not coming back, Mr. Chicken? It was that bad? Oh no. Oh. Yeah, it was bad. Like, okay, when I went I had showed up to my friend's apartment, and like 2 minutes into me being there is when it happened. Like I was just so ready to like watch the game. It was even, it was close, like playoff environment, game 7. Like it was crazy. But then like in the first, like he was going off. He had 9 minutes, or he had 9 points in the first quarter with like 5 minutes remaining. He was about to go off. He just lunged forward. It's like basic dribbling, whatever. It's always a calf strain that leads straight to an Achilles. Just lunge forward, popped his Achilles. Disgusting. They played a replay and everything. Oh, my heart broke. Oh, definitely rigged. Yeah. Yeah. But I don't know. OKC won. Mm, but oh well. I'm about to head off. Later.